Hello. Today we're going to work on drawing a turkey. Now, I'm going to be drawing, and then you will draw, and then I will draw, and you will draw. We're going to go back and forth that way. Now, on your paper, if I draw really big, you need to draw really big. If I draw really little, then you need to draw really little. If I draw in the middle of the paper, you need to draw in the middle of the paper. Don't draw way up here or way down here. You draw the same place I draw on my paper and about the same size. So when it's all done and you're ready to start coloring your turkey will fit on the page nice and neat. All right, so let's go ahead and start gobbling up our turkey and let's create.
We're going to start in the middle and we're going to draw a V. We're then going to draw from one corner to the other a nice curved line. For his beak, we're going to draw a straight line. Then we're going to draw two little circles. Make sure that they touch in the middle for your eyes. We're going to add some pupils now. And this is where you can add eyebrows if you'd like, or eyelashes, kind of make your turkey your own. So now let's draw the body. If you notice, I start on one side and I go and I stop at the half, and then I start at the other side and then meet back up in the middle. That's just easier for me. You're going to draw a nice round body. Now we're going to make its little gobbler. So I make a little S shape. I'm going to go right to the point where I started and follow it and just round it off. So it kind of looks like a little snake hanging from its mouth, but that's the gobbler. We're then now going to do the wings. So I draw a little line out there and a little line here. I'm going to draw another line for the bottom of the wing and another line on the other side. We're then going to connect the two sides of the wing with little U's. So I make a U, a U, a U, a U to connect it. So our little turkey is missing some legs, so we're going to make two small parallel lines. That's going to be one leg. And then on the other leg, two small parallel lines. I'm then going to draw a little line to the left and one to the right. It makes it look kind of like a Y. This is going to be the part of his feet. I'm going to do that on the other foot as well. I'm then going to make a zigzag line to connect those two. So now we're ready to start our feathers. So you're going to start on the head. You're going to make a large U and come back to the top of the head. This is our first. We're then going to start right there in the middle of our U, make another big U, and bring it all the way to the body. And then we're going to start again right in the middle of the U we made. Make another large U and come down and stop. And now make sure it doesn't go into the wing, but it looks like it goes behind the wing. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Start right there in the middle. Large U and stop at the body. Do another one. Start at the middle. Large U, stop at the wing. So now we're going to be adding some decoration to our feathers. So I'm going to add two parallel lines here on the feather. Now don't go ahead, stay with me here. Now I have it here, but I want to bring it up a little bit so it doesn't look like a rainbow going across. And so I make another 2 parallel lines. If you notice, they're up just a little bit on that feather. And I'm going to go up a little bit higher on the next feather. And then when I go to my next feather, I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. Draw my 2 parallel lines. If you notice, they're kind of curved. That gives an illusion of shape. And then the last one, I'm going to do 2 parallel lines down a little lower. Now we want to create our turkey that it's on the ground. So we're going to start on the left side, starting at the foot, and we're going to pull our marker all the way across to the edge of the paper. We're then going to go between the feet, and then we're going to start on the edge of the foot and go off the paper to the right. Now if you notice, the feet are overlapping onto the ground. Don't draw through your feet. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin. So you're going to start with a kind of skinny 0. And then we're going to make some backward C's. And it's going to be a little smaller. And another one that's a little smaller than the one before. And we're going to do a C on the other side of our 0. And one more. And now our pumpkin needs a stem. So do a little triangle, and there's our cute little pumpkin. At this point, you can add your background. You have your ground, your pumpkin. I might put a cloud here. Maybe a cloud on the other side of the paper. Maybe I could do a sun. So I'm going to have it look like it's peeking in. You can do your little rays if you'd like. You can even write words. You might write thankful or happy Thanksgiving. This is where you get to make your turkey your own. Decorate it. If you want to put a leaf, you can have leaves floating around. Here's how you draw a leaf. After you have created your cute little turkey, it is time to get those colors out and begin making it beautiful. So here is one that I've colored. I have colored the brown belly and the wings and the head brown. I've done the feathers here, bright colors. Each section is colored. I have colored the background, nice and solid, the grass and the pumpkin. So color neat and have a great Thanksgiving.